We said a long time ago that we're building a business. Really what we try to do is we build friends, we build customers. We love repeat business. To do that, you have to satisfy your customers. And I guess what we love most about the business is just being a family and doing what we do. Hey, I'm Bill Ebron. I'm the owner of Ebron Small Engine Repair here in New Bern, North Carolina. So when I was 11 years old, my father started this business to teach me mechanics. We've been going now for the last 38 years. And back in 1992, we decided to incorporate. From there, the business has kept growing. In 2015, my father gave me the business to run. From there, we decided to expand into landscaping materials like mulch and river rock to offer to the public. Then we decided to build a building and start selling quality mowers and handheld equipment. So this is where we're at today, with my father still working side by side with me, and my daughter is here, and my son. So it is a family-owned and family-operated business that we take great pride in bringing the family values to business. Here at Ebron's, we have all 8 models of the BigDog line, from a residential to the heavy commercial. So we're very confident in whatever that you need in grass mowing. You can come out here to Ebron Small Engine Repair and we will make sure that we can take care of everything that you need to get the job done.
I'm Bill Ebron's daughter. I'm the owner's daughter, the original owner's granddaughter. I grew up around all of this. I create bills, I answer phones, I maintain the computer system, the inventory. When I can get out into the shop, I'm out in the shop repairing. That's where I really love to be.
I look at each and every job as a challenge. And if I can get in there and figure out what's wrong with it and fix it, it's a blessing to me that I can fix it and fix it for somebody that couldn't fix it or didn't know how to fix it.
So when a customer comes through the door and they're looking for a new mower, we just start talking, how much grass do they mow, whether they're mowing multiple lawns or just their personal lawn. Get a kind of an idea on acreage they're talking about, and also the frequency of mowing. From there, we can start sizing in what the mower needs they truly have. And then at that point, we can direct them to a mower that is manufactured to meet those qualifications that they're looking for.
The one reason I've always dealt with Ebron's is they're honest about what your mower needs or doesn't need. And if you have a problem after you've had it fixed, you can bring it back and they'll take care of it for you. They've been honest with me for the last 30 years. This is the reason I keep coming back.
I definitely think that we want you to feel like family when you walk in the door. We just want you to feel comfortable. We want you to know that we've got your back. If something breaks, we're going to help you out as best we can.
We also offer pickup and delivery. If it's where that you cannot get that mower here, we do offer that service. On new mowers, we will deliver the mowers to your house, obviously within a reasonable distance. We're all about our customers, so we aim to please.
I just love the way he operates the business and makes you feel at home.
Not only that we're family owned and family operated, but we also make sure that we instill a lot of our family values into our repairs or our overall service, because here we treat people like we want to be treated, or the way we would expect to be treated looking for this type of service. So we will go the extra mile to make sure that everything or all the expectations of a customer are met.